What's up, everybody? This is part 2 of a 3-part series on the new building build out. So if you missed the first part and you want to watch it, it's the foundation build, so go back and watch it. It's linked in the video as well. If you want to watch this one and see how the walls go up and see what that looks like, then stay tuned, and here we go. Okay, so a quick update on where I'm at with the building. From the beginning, it's been a few months, and I've just worked on it sporadically just because I haven't had time over the weekends and stuff. But where I'm at, got the foundation laid, got the deck down, the floor decking down. It's rock solid and level, which is kind of step number 1. So started building the framing and the walls, and ran into a little bit of a dilemma. I built the first wall, which is the tall wall, because I'm doing a slanted roof, and the dilemma is that I can't lift the wall. So what I've got is a wall built that is going to go on that side, and right now it is just too heavy to lift, but it will definitely be the heaviest wall. But I have an idea. So I'm going to see if I can get it raised here in just a few minutes. So we'll see what happens. Well, that was a big success today. Got the wall raised and got the back wall put together. Got it framed up. Got them structurally sound, squared up. So good, successful day. I would say it was a pretty good day today. Got the remaining walls up, got the roof rafters ready to go. Got to mark them and cut them, but I'll get that finished, I think, pretty quickly. So hopefully we'll get done very soon, at least ready for framing inspection. All right, today I'm going to try to cover the outside of the building, get that all done, try to do the siding and the roof, get at least the decking, the sheathing up on the roof, and then hopefully also getting the siding on the building as well, but it's coming along really well. All right, well, thanks for watching. That was the second part of a three-part series of this build for this building. So hope you enjoyed it, and if so, then just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.